I just looked in my rearview mirror, and you know what I saw? 2016, and a whole lot of gorgeous pink color melts. What's up, friends? I'm Kelly Martin, Kelly Awesome Sauce, and welcome to 10 Years of Disruption. I specialize in creative color that actually makes sense behind the chair. I was doing it girl hair back in 2016 when this trend first ignited, and today I'm sharing all my dirty little secrets, just like your favorite all-American reject. If you're a stylist feeling personally attacked by the pink comeback, hi, same. This video is for you. The thing is, we weren't doing just pink back then. It was the level, the placement, doing the heavy lifting. Perhaps a dimensional melt brought to life by the brand that took the industry by storm 10 years ago, Pulp Riot. To disrupt this look, I'm creating two 1-inch color sections for a color blocking effect, leaving 1 inch of natural hair in between for maximum impact. I'm lightening Lex using Blonde AF and 6 volume. I'm keeping the volume low because I'll be balayaging the rest of her hair after. I start foiling at the apex, alternating a Babylight and a Teasylight. I did this to create a soft diffusion that would give a blended waterfall effect when her hair falls back over the crown. I'm mirroring this in the money piece and connecting it around the hairline. For her balayage, I'm mixing 2 parts clay lightener to 1 part cream bleach with 30 volume. This cocktail is a game changer. The clay gives you that 7+ lift and painting consistency, while the cream bleach pushes it to the 9+ levels of lift. Working in diagonal back sections from the nape, I'm alternating straight across and diagonal sections using V and W shapes to create dimensional highs and lows. Pro tip: always double check the underside of your balayage for even saturation. For guests who wear their hair up, this ensures a seamless, soft grow out. For the final section, I'm using a heavy tease for an even more invisible blend. The 2016 palette. We're mixing 3 pink formulas for a gradient straight out of our favorite emo hair dreams. Formula 1 is 3 parts first base and 1 part exoplanet. Formula 2 is 2 parts blush to 1 part candy. And Formula 3 is blush all on its own. On the balayaged sections, I'm melting Formula 1 into the base and mids, into Formula 2 on the ends. In the color block sections, I'm applying the full tri-color melt, leaving out a 1/2 inch section at the very front of the money piece. Pro tip: to get that seamless gradient, I overlap the lighter shades directly onto the previous shade. Finally, I'm taking that 1/2 inch money piece, tapping at the root with Formula 2 and blending into Formula 3. There you have it, a throwback punchy pink color melt that makes my 2016 emo heart bleed. We aren't just recreating the past, we're disrupting the present with better techniques and better products. If this look gives you all the feels, make sure to tag Pulp Riot Hair and Kelly Awesome Sauce when you try it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more 10-year throwback magic. TTFN besties, see you next time.